Hello everyone, welcome back to Hook Night. Today, we are watching the incredible precision of processing a fresh Pangas fish. Look at the expert control as the traditional cleaver makes the very first cuts, clearing the fins and preparing the fish with absolute speed. Pangas is known for its smooth texture, but handling it on a wet market surface requires a firm grip. Our expert here slices through the bones effortlessly, keeping every single steak perfectly uniform. This is the raw skill developed through years of daily market experience. Now watch him handle the tail and clean the main parts. Every movement is calculated and smooth. If you find these traditional fish cutting skills satisfying to watch, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now for more amazing content. And there you have it, fully processed and ready for a delicious curry. What do you think of these awesome knife skills? Let me know in the comments below, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.